Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. It's Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this terrific Tuesday, October 20th. Today is a B-Day. Please join me for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain silent for a moment of silence. On to the birthdays. Happy birthday, Gray, in 9th grade. I hope you're having a phenomenal Tuesday and that you have had a good week so far. Gray, you share a birthday with Kamala Harris, hopefully our next vice president. John Krasinski, amazing actor from The Office and other great stuff. And then Bill Nunn, another great actor from an assortment of movies. Related to birth announcements, while Mr. Rubio is out focusing on being an amazing dad and parent, Mr. Clark is here on campus. Made this announcement yesterday, but just in case you missed it, this is Mr. Clark. We are so lucky to have him. He's done amazing things for our campus already, and he'll continue to support us while Mr. Rubio is away. This day in history, on October 20th, in 1942, the Southern Conference on Race Relations was held in Durham, North Carolina, with more than 50 prominent African American leaders of the South to discuss solutions for interracial cooperation. An outcome of the conference was the Durham Manifesto, which called for democratic participation of African Americans through the right to vote, equal pay, employment rights, anti-lynching laws, eradication of poll taxes, and an end to segregation in order to ease current and anticipated racial violence in the South. Pause the video here to learn more about specific demands included in the Durham Manifesto. The Manifesto was one of the most significant Southern documents of the 1940s. It addressed the dichotomy between African American soldiers fighting overseas in the name of democracy, while in the U.S. they were facing racial violence and being denied basic human rights. It also established a blueprint for the strategic struggle for African American civil rights in the 1950s and 1960s. Again, we still have so much work to do, but none of it would be possible without the work of so many people in our past. Please pause the video for more info on the high school schedule. This started yesterday. The breaks went great. I enjoyed going outside with our 11th and 12th graders in the afternoon. I heard our 9th grade and 10th grade students enjoyed it in the morning. Make note of the time changes, although slight, they do impact your schedule if you are a high school student. Pause the video for more info on the pumpkin decorating contest. Still working on mine, still in the planning process. Remember that October is the official anti-bullying month. Our campus is a no bullying zone. Tomorrow, we will wear orange in support of each other. Wear orange whether you are at home, online, or at school. Please wear orange to show your support. Another plug for attendance. Attendance is so important. When you're not in school, when you're not online, we can't teach you. We struggle. We struggle to teach you. We struggle to give you the information you need. Please log in. Please communicate with your teachers or with me when you can't. And remember, this is not an idea thing. This is not an Austin thing. If you miss too many days, we cannot give you credit. This isn't something that we can make go away. This is a state law. Please, please, please make sure you're showing up to school. Proper mask use. Wear your mask correctly. If you have questions, please reach out. 512-814-5326. Make sure you're doing so during normal school hours. Find us on Facebook. Remember that Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, please remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. I miss you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you and talking with you. Those of you who are on campus, I look forward to bothering you later today. Those of you who are at home, please, please, please know you can reach out to me or to any of your teachers if you need anything. Hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Enjoy Move This World.
The cold and the suffering, travel the world will go.